Persian rose, but she's from Nicaragua. Thought you was Persian love.
Okay, so we're going to get right into this tutorial. So what you're going to need is your New Locks by Bobbi Boss. I used about 4 packs and I ordered this off of Amazon. Okay, and for hair products, you're going to need a smoothing pomade, a leave-in conditioner, preferably a spray one, and a twisting cream or butter. Okay, ignore my hair here, it's looking kind of crazy, but I just had my hair in a stretched state from a braid, and now I'm going to go in and begin sectioning out pieces to apply my locks. And before I do this, I'm going to be doing the lock method with my leave-in conditioner, my pomade, and then my twisting butter, and then I did use avocado oil, which I did not show. Okay, so here I'm beginning to make my sections where I'm going to begin preparing my hair to apply the lock. So I'm adding on my twisting butter to make sure our hair is nice and moisturized, applying that from root to tip, and then I'm going to begin doing a 2-strand twist. So I'm just going to be doing a regular 2-strand twist all the way from the root down to the down to the ends of my hair. And here what you saw me add was that pomade to make sure our roots are nice and split. We are just lightly finger tangling here just to make sure our hair doesn't have any knots or tangles, because you do not want to twist up tangled hair. That would not be a good look. So we're just gonna 2-strand twist all the way down. Okay, now that we have our twist complete, we're going to get our lock, and your lock is going to have a small opening, so you're just going to open that and place it over your twist and then do a loose knot. We're not doing a tight knot, just a loose knot to keep it in place, and then you're going to begin twisting your hair around the faux lock. And it's important that you make sure you're getting the color of your hair, or else this is not going to look seamless. It's important that you make sure to match the color of your hair to the faux locks that you buy.
Persian rose, but she's from Nicaragua. Thought you was Persian love. Are we turning up? Or are we wasting time? Girl, don't waste my time. You know I'm party. I don't just wanna chill with you. Oh no, I wanna turn up on. I wanna turn you on.
Oh, and I do want to say that you don't have to have super neat parts for this look. I actually feel like the messier the parts are, the more natural it looks. So just keep that in mind while you're doing this.
Persian eyes, but she's from Nicaragua. Thought you was Persian love.